How to remove yellow border in OBS Studio. Hi guys, in this video I will show you exactly that. So let's get started. Alright, first of all, what you need to do, you need to first unlock this video screen. After that, you need to right click on your screen and then go to the transform option right over here, then reset transform. Go with that. Alright, after that you need to just again display. If you are doing the display capture, you need to delete the display capture. Then after that again add the display capture. Like from here you need to add the display capture from here. Okay, after that what you need to do, you need to just simply double tap, and from here you need to just go with the automatic to DXGI desktop duplication. Okay, if you are facing the problem of a yellow border, I think after selecting this option will remove your problem. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a great day.